Dr. Nandita Mohan and welcome to Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. Let's look into the latest reports for today. Zinc might help reduce symptoms and duration of respiratory tract infections. Respiratory tract infections are prevalent worldwide, with zinc deficiency being the major contributing factor. A recent research has confirmed that supplementation with zinc has found to stave off the respiratory infection symptoms, thereby reducing the illness duration. Potato consumption will not elevate cardiometabolic risk in adolescent girls, a recent study reports. We all love potatoes in any form, be it French fries or even potato nuggets. But we also know that increased consumption can be harmful for our health as well. To our surprise and benefit, a new study has shown that potato consumption is not associated with elevated cardiometabolic risk in adolescent girls. So good news it is. Pregnancy loss may increase the risk of cardiovascular diseases, finds a study. Loss of pregnancy can be both physically and emotionally painful. Miscarriage is the most common type and often occurs because the fetus isn't developing normally. A recent research has found out that pregnancy loss is significantly associated with a greater cardiovascular disease risk. Though it is a tough time for the mother, but you still need to stay strong. A rare case of cerebral infarction in congenital adrenal hyperplasia has been reported. Calcutta Medical Research Institute has reported a rare case of extensive cerebral infarction in a 5-year-old child with diagnosed congenital adrenal hyperplasia. Previous literature suggests that congenital adrenal hyperplasia in itself or its treatment with glucocorticoids or mineralocorticoids or an inadequate treatment under stressful conditions may be the cause of cerebral infarction. The authors therefore concluded that inadequate dose escalation along with possible cerebral effect of CAH itself might be responsible for the cause of cerebral infarction in this particular child. That's all for today. I shall see you tomorrow.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe and press the bell icon.